Exercise 6.1, sum number 3. If theta is a parameter, find the equation of the locus of a moving point whose coordinates are x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta. Okay, here in this sum, we were given the coordinates as a cos cube theta and a sin cube theta, isn't it? No. Now we are taking the first point P of h comma k be a point on the locus. Then from the given data h equal to a cos theta, then cos cube theta equal to, bring this variable a to the left hand side, h by a equal to cos cube theta. We want cos theta, that's why we are taking, it's like a cubic root. Okay, so this is becoming 1 by 3, while this 3 coming to the left hand side, it is becoming 1 by 3. So h by a the whole power 1 by 3 equal to cos theta. This is equation number 1. And k equal to a sin cube theta, same as it is, sin cube theta equal to k by a, and sin theta equal to k by a the whole power 1 by 3. This is equation number 2. We got cos theta and sin theta. By trigonometric formula, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. That's why we are going to square the first and the second equation, then adding the 2. Okay, by squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, h by a the whole power 1 by 3 whole power square plus k by a 1 by 3 the whole power square equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, now you have to multiply these two powers. Okay, 1 by 3 into 2, that means it will become 2 by 3. H by a the whole power 2 by 3 plus k by a the whole power 2 by 3 equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. That means the same as it is, left hand side as it is, you have to write that's equal to 1. And the next one, we are separating the denominator. Okay, so h power 2 by 3 plus k power 2 by 3 the whole divided by a power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Then bring this to the right hand side. Okay, h power 2 by 3 plus k power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. By the last condition, you have to replace this h by x and k by y. That is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to the right hand side as it is, a power 2 by 3.